Hello, I'll talk about solve linear equations with variables and constant on both sides. Let's understand how to solve such linear equation. Let's start with this equation. This linear equation, at the left side we have 8x minus 15 is equal to 7x plus 3. See that the variables are in both left side and right side, and also the constant also exist in the left side and right side of the equation. So the first step in order to solve this linear equation is to cancel one of these terms of the variable. So first we check for the highest value of the variable. So 8x is greater than 7x. So in this case, we can simply make the variable to be at the left side and the constant to be right side. So this is the equation. So now we can simply cancel the 7x from the right side. So the remaining is the constant. So simply we can subtract 7x from both sides of the equation. So what we have for the left side, we have 8x minus 15 minus 7x is equal to 7x plus 3 minus 7x. Now we can simplify. For the left side, the remaining is x minus 15. So 8x minus 7x. The remaining is 1x minus 15. And the right side, the 7x cancel with minus 7x. So the remaining for the right side is the constant 3. See that the variable now, x, is at the left side and the constant at the right side, which is the 3. Now we can simply solve for this linear equation by adding plus 15 to both sides. So the left side becomes x minus 15 plus 15, and the right side becomes 3 plus 15. So we can simply simplify this equation. So x is equal to 18. We can check for this solution by substituting this value of x in the main equation. So the main equation, the left side is 8x minus 15. So 8 times 18 minus 15. And the right side of the equation is 7x plus 3. So 7 multiplied by 18 plus 3. We need to check for the equality of the two sides of this equation. Now we can simplify. For the left side, 8 times 18, we have 144 minus 15. And for the right side, we have 7 times 18, which is 126, plus 3. We can simplify for both sides. So the left side gives us 129, and the right side gives us the same number, which is 129. So the solution, which is x equal 18, is correct. Let's solve this equation. We have the linear equation 26 plus 13m equal 14m plus 11. So as you see here, we have the variable m is spread at the left and right of the equation, and also the constants, again, they are on both the left and right of the equation. So as we see that the 14m is greater than 13m, so we can simply keep the variable at the right side and the constants at the left side. So what we need now, we need to cancel the 13.8. So simply we can subtract 13m from both sides. So the left side becomes 26 plus 13m minus 13m, and the right side becomes 14m plus 11 minus 13m. Now we can simplify. For the left side, the remaining is the constant 26, and for the right side 14m minus 13m is m plus 11. So as you see here now, the variable m is at the right side of the equation and the constant is at the left of the equation. So simply we can keep the variable alone by adding or subtracting 11 from both sides of the equation. So the left side becomes 26 minus 11 and the right side becomes m plus 11 minus 11. So you can simplify, so you'll get that the value of m is equal to 15. You can check for this solution. So the left side of the equation, 26 plus 13m, so 26 plus 13 times 15, and the right side is 14m plus 11, so 14 times 15 plus 11. We need to check for the equality of this equation. So the left side, we have 26, 13 times 15, we have 195, and regarding the right side of the equation, 14 times 15 gives us 210 plus 11. So you can now simplify. So you'll see that we have 211 at both sides of the equation. So this solution is correct. Let's solve this last example. 5 over 3y minus 3 equal 2/3 y minus 16. So the variable, the greatest variable is 5 divided by 3y, lies at the left side. So we can keep the variable at the left side and the constants at the right side. So now we need to cancel this term from the right side. So we can simply subtract 2/3 y from both sides. So what we have at the left side, we have 5 divided by 3y minus 3 minus 2/3 y, and the right side 2/3 y minus 16 minus 2/3 y. So we can now simplify. See, for the left side, 5 divided by 3y minus 2/3 y gives us 3 divided by 3y, which is 1y. So at the left we have y minus 3, and the right side we have minus 16. Now we can simply keep the variable y alone by adding plus 3 to both sides. So the left side becomes y minus 3 plus 3, and the right side becomes minus 16 plus 3. So you will have the value of y to be minus 13. You can simply check for the solution. I'll leave it to you. That's all about solving the linear equations, so that the variables and the constants are spread at both sides of the equation. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.